You can get up and walk on that.
Go, walk.
I know you can do it.
Go. Stand up. Stand up.
What if you go on the side and kind of hold his hand? So you can't.
You puppy dogging it.
Levi. Levi, turn around.
Landon decided
Well,
not to try.
His
He's over here. Over here.
his feet may go through.
Nah, I don't think so.
That little boy's feet went through.
You can do it, man.
He's over here.
Look where if you put your hands where the thick ropes are, it don't go down like that. Yeah, put your hand where the thick rope is. There you go. Walk on that thick rope and it don't sag near as much.
Sutton. Look.
I used to have to crawl over stuff like that when I was a soldier, dude. Now come the hard part.
You did it.
That's the hard part. Coming down.
All right.
You did it.
You doing it again? All right.
You know them, they probably ride this all day long.
Oh, yeah.
With the brown roof.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
That will be...
I see the McDonald's sign. You're fine. They're both very big. And it looks like a Cracker Barrel sign. I think that's what it is.
He's already grabbed me a couple of times. Sit, Landon.
Cornfield don't look too good. Oh.
And if you got any more of the Coke,
Yep.
here you go.
Run it back.
Turn the hamburgers don't smell bad. So just a little bit for Bubba.
Steeds Farm. Good place to bring the kids. Steeds Farm. Steeds Dairy Farm. All kind of activities for kids and whatnot. Grown-ups too.